Like, everything was going so great. Houseway. Good morning and welcome to another day of Vlogmas, or 12 days of Christmas, whichever you want to call it. I am waking up in LA and I'm about to go heat up my food and go to the grocery store because I didn't have time to go to the grocery store yesterday. If you guys remember, I was supposed to get some avocado and some tortillas, the low carb tortillas. I ain't have time to grab that, so I'm about to go grab that right now because there's a grocery store across the street called Ralph's. So we about to do that. And yeah, and then get our day started. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. Our report time is at 11. So we got a little bit of time before we go to Fort Lauderdale. We are headed to Fort Lauderdale. If you don't know, I'm from South Florida. I lived in Miami for 5 years when I was a teacher. I'm from Palm Beach, which is like 30 minutes north of Fort Lauderdale. Miami is like 15 to 20 minutes south of Fort Lauderdale. So if you're not familiar with Florida, I'm from South Florida. So we're about to get ready to go there. I'm excited to go home, celebrating my home girl. I'm just so excited to see her. I love going home, so yeah. Oh, it is cold as hell, LA. What the hell? It's cold. We just boarded. Our plane was a little bit late, so we're a little delayed, but not too crazy. I should be still getting into Fort Lauderdale by 8:30. We're about to start boarding in like 30 seconds, so I will talk to y'all later, and then I'll catch you guys up on what we're doing in Fort Lauderdale for day 2 of this 4-day trip. So we are delayed. Just hanging out here in LAX. We literally thought we were leaving, like safety demo done, off of the gate, all the things, and then we had to return to the gate for a maintenance issue. So we're literally just waiting here to see what happens with our schedule. Hopefully we leave, but we might stay. But that's just the reality of being a flight attendant, just being flexible. Oh, no wonder. But that's the reality of being a flight attendant. That's just the for real life of a flight attendant. People be telling y'all this is the for real life, because I was so excited to go to Fort Lauderdale, y'all. I was really excited to celebrate with Destiny, but now I'm just waiting for cruise scheduling to call us to update our schedule so that we can figure out what the fiddlesticks we're about to do. We're just on the plane, chilling. Everybody had to deplane. So, yeah. See y'all soon.
3 hours later.
Alright, so we're in this haunted room right now. Just kidding. We are waiting for our plane. We were delayed. We had to get off of the plane. Due to the maintenance issue, they had to tow the plane out, and now we're waiting for a new plane to come so that we can fly over to Fort Lauderdale. So this is cutting into my layover time. So my beautiful 19, almost 20-hour layover is not 19, 20 hours no more. It's probably gonna be like 12. So yeah, so I'm just chilling out here. I'm editing and talking to the crew. So hopefully I will update y'all and we will be in Fort Lauderdale very, very, very soon. We made it to Fort Lauderdale. It is almost 2 a.m. It is 1:57.
We're sleepy.
So tired. And usually I'll be ready to turn up. Baby, club bed with DJ Pillow on the ones and twos. That's where I'm going. Cause I just can't believe the day we had. It was what, a 12-hour day?
Like,
No. No, it's 14. Yeah, we did a 14-hour day. It was supposed to be like a 7-hour day.
it's doubled.
It's double. So
This is our life.
life of a flight, the for real life of a flight attendant. So we're getting on the van now and headed to the hotel for some good rest.
When we could be superstars, we've been rather wrecking cars.
Hey bro, is that Jambo?
What is at stake for us? Kicking up corners. Yeah, we could be
So
superstars.
here's the room. When you first walk in, there's the closet. The refrigerator is in the closet. That's new. Okay. Mirrors. And I've stayed here before. Hey y'all. And I've never noticed that. Here is the bathroom. Bathroom's really pretty. I like it. Like the mirror. And this, like, you can see through to the room. So that's cute. Hey y'all. This is cute. And get to the room area. Double beds. We love to see it. All my junk will be on here tomorrow. Trust. And I'm sleeping over there. I always sleep at the bed that is away from the door. I don't know. I feel safer. Checking under. There's no under for Boogeyman. Checking the windows to make sure we good. Literally, I do this every hotel I go to. And here is the view. I know that that's the beach because, again, I've stayed here before. So I know I'm going to have a really beautiful view tomorrow morning. I am very, very, very excited about that. We love a good view. And yeah, this is my room. Ooh, and this is my big screen TV. So I'm about to lay in this bed, but before I do, because I got my outside clothes on, so I could lay in the first bed with my outside clothes on. Just checking the corners. Literally, I just pull everything and make sure ain't no bed bugs in here, because I've experienced that before. Bed bugs, they suck to get rid of. So again, just pulling this out to make sure there's no bed bugs. You can usually see at least one, especially with these white sheets. So ain't no bed bugs. All right, so about to lay in it. We'll lay on top of it so I can talk to y'all. Today was so long. I legit just cannot believe how long today was. I'm supposed to be outside right now with my girls, turning up. But we're here in the hotel room because we got in so late. But that's the reality of it. Some layovers you get, it's like the layover gods. They know when you have plans. Because when you have plans, the layover gods have plans for you. They're like, oh, you think you're about to go out? Oh, you think you're about to link with this person? Say less. And you don't end up linking with them because something comes up, like a mechanical or like your pilot's timeout or just something crazy. And you're like, how? Like everything was going so great. Houseway. But that's exactly how it goes. So if you are thinking about becoming a flight attendant, when you become a flight attendant, do not make plans. Like you can oh, if we get here at this time, then we can link or whatever. But don't make like solid plans on a layover because it'd be like 5 times out of 10, so 50-50 chance that it might not go your way. And that's just too high of a risk if you really got something to do. Like for real. But yeah, we're delayed for so long. So let me see if I can remember the day. So we get to the airport at 11:35 was our report time. We get there. The plane was a little late, but we were good. Then we get on the plane. Everybody's on the plane, like boarded, everything. We push back from the gate. We do the safety demo, everything, and maintenance. Something about the hydraulics, maintenance. We have to go back to the gate so that maintenance, so the ground ops, tech ops can come on board to try and fix the mechanical issue, the maintenance issue, all the things. They can't fix the issue. We were waiting for like an hour before we realized they can't fix the issue. There was no planes, no extra planes in LAX. We were flying on the 32S. So it's basically the 32M Airbus 320, but it has our Mint modifications, which is our first class for my company. We wait about, I want to say 2 more hours. Finally, they find a plane. It's a 320, an Airbus 320 modified, a 32M. But there's no first class. My number 1 and number 2 are like literally certified trained to work first class, but they're on this core plane where it's only, core, regular cabin, economy, whatever y'all call it. And so they're like, wait, what? Like, we're supposed to be working first class. Well, that's not what happened. Flight 4 hours, 30 minutes. We're like, okay, we can deal. Ain't no Wi-Fi on the plane. Ain't no Wi-Fi. And the customers weren't being nice. Granted, I definitely get the day, but they weren't being very nice. Like, we have to go through this delay too. We had plans too. And then on top of that, y'all get to sleep and we have to work. Like, trust me, if anybody feels your pain, we feel your pain, And then, but I think that was just like in the beginning, they were like just agitated, which is like very much understandable. But after a while, everybody got cool. But we're just so blown, like all of us, like the pilots, us, customers, that there was no Wi-Fi on board. But they had TVs and everything like that. We can't watch the TVs. But yeah, we just were reading books, playing games, talking, chit-chatting, getting to know each other, me and my crew. So yeah, that was the flight. And then we got in at 1:30. Weight came down. Our van got there as we were walking up, thank the Lord. And then we just made it to our rooms at 2:30. 2:30. It's 2:35 right now. And I'm sure I've been talking to y'all for about 5 minutes. So, yeah, y'all. It has been a day. I'm about to take this makeup off and go to sleep. Like, just take my makeup off and go to sleep. Like, I want to eat food or whatever. I'm so tired. I want to go to sleep. So that's what I'm about to do. But we're going to have a good day tomorrow because our report time is not until 4 p.m. So we're going to wake up, find something to do. It's Fort Lauderdale. We have the beach right across the street from us. There's a lot of nice like places we can go eat for breakfast, fake brunch. Because it's not really brunch if you can't have mimosas. And I can't really have mimosas because I got to work at 4. So I won't really be having brunch, but I'll be having breakfast. Hopefully I'll get to see my friends, even though I didn't get to see them today. Like, hang out. But yeah. But that's the for real life of a flight attendant. So if you are enjoying these videos, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more videos. We have day 3 of this 4-day. This is only day 2. Can y'all believe this? This is only day 2 of this 4-day. All this drama. All this drama for your mom. So I will see you guys tomorrow. I will see you guys tomorrow. So until then, thank you all so much for watching. Bye.